Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. This is going to be a series of 4 videos showing you how to install an asphaltic concrete transition. The worker backs the lime slurry truck up and gets it ready to unload. Watch the worker when he opens the valve. This could have been a very dangerous situation. The lime slurry is very hot and could have caused severe burns. The first step in installing an asphaltic concrete transition begins with a good subgrade. The subgrade will consist of 33 pounds of lime per square yard. The lime is very hot, as you can see the steam rising from it. I don't know why this worker insists on walking in front of my camera. He does it all the time. The truck driver moves the truck back and forth to empty out the trailer. Watch what happens when the worker goes close to the valve in the back of the trailer. This could have resulted in serious bodily injury or death. This is how lime slurry looks after being unloaded. Let me show you up close. This is a Bobcat 299, also known as a skid steer. It will spread the lime slurry around while we wait for the mixer to arrive. This is a Cat RM 300 mixer. The operator will set the depth to be mixed at 9 inches. Let me move behind the mixer so you can get a better idea of how the mixer works. See how the lime slurry has been mixed with the soil? Here's a view from the side. You can see how the subgrade looks now. The operator will continue to go back and forth until all the area has been mixed. Once the lime has been mixed, the next step is to compact it and seal it. I know you're wondering why it has to be sealed when it has to be remixed. The answer is, if it rains on the unsealed subgrade, it will turn to mud. Once it is sealed, the water cannot penetrate it. Here's the subgrade after it has been compacted and sealed. The next step is to remix compact to 95% dry density. Then the monolithic curb will be placed which will be in part 2 of the series. This is part 2 in the asphaltic concrete transition series. This video shows the installation of the 18-inch by 12-inch monolithic curb. The contractor uses a monolithic curb machine that can place a variety of different types of curb. This concrete curb mix is a 3,500 psi mix or a 5.5 sack with 3/4 inch aggregate, meaning the curb strength should achieve 3,500 psi in 7 days. Notice the string line on the left. It is to keep the curb machine on grade. See the arm on the machine? It is placed under the string line. This ensures the machine will stay on grade. The concrete truck backs up to the machine and begins to refill the hopper. The driver is new, so he's not sure what to do. The operator tells him to get back in the truck. Notice how the concrete truck stays with the machine to keep the hopper full. This is a view of the front of the curb machine. The worker will place a rebar into the machine. This places the rebar in the correct location. The workers immediately start finishing the curb with flat trowels and a corner trowel. Once the machine has finished one side of the road, the worker takes a broom to finish the concrete. Here's the final product. The curb has a broom finish. The white material in the curb is curing compound. It prevents the concrete from curing too fast and cracking. Today's video is part 3 of the asphaltic concrete transition installation. Part 1 was the mixing and compacting of the lime subgrade, and part 2 was the installation of the 18-inch concrete ribbon curb. Today's video shows the installation of the stabilized base material. The contractor is placing 8 inches of stabilized material. It should take 5 dump trucks for a total of 90 cubic yards or 34.5 tons to complete this transition. The contractor will be spreading the material with a CAT 299, or commonly known as a skid steer. The contractor will place a stabilized base material and cut it to grade later. The material will be placed 1.5 inches lower than the top of the curb. The center of the street is called the crown and will be approximately 2 inches higher than the curb. The crown will allow the rainwater to run over the curb to prevent ponding. Part 4 will show the asphaltic material being placed on top of the base. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so you won't miss Part 4. The contractor uses a 10-ton steel wheel roller to compact the base material. He will continue to roll the base material until it's compacted to 95% of dry density to prevent the roadway from failing. If the base material fails, it will cause the asphalt to crack, allowing water to penetrate and saturate the base. This is why you see potholes after a heavy rain. This is part 4 of the asphaltic concrete transition. Here you see the worker spraying the tack coat on the stabilized base material. The tack coat is placed so that all the base material is covered. The tack coat will help the asphalt stick to the base material. Now you see the laydown machine and the dump truck. The dump truck has 21 tons of hot asphalt. The asphalt is about 350 degrees. The laydown machine will place the asphalt 3 inches thick. The laydown machine will place one lane of asphalt to the end of the transition and then return for the second lane. Each lane is called a pull. The lab man places a thermometer to check the temperature. Let me show you. The temperature is about 225 degrees. Now the contractor is starting the second pull and it's time for the asphalt to be compacted. The lab man will monitor the compaction. The asphalt must be compacted to at least 92%, but not more than 95%. Here's the final product. The asphalt is level with the existing pavement and with the curb. The center of the roadway has a crown for the water to run off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when a new video is released. Have a great day.